Thank you for ordering the Marvin Skycove Awaken full build showroom display. We recommend having 6 people standing by to help assemble the display. In addition, you'll need 2 6-foot step ladders, a standard pallet jack, a standard 110-volt electric drop from either the floor or the ceiling, and the provided 1/2-inch by 12-inch cam wrench. The Marvin Skycove Awaken full build display arrives in 4 crates. They require an approximate area of 100 square feet to hold prior to setup. Each box is labeled and the contents are listed on the outside. These items are shown in the full build display schematic hard copy included with the display. Start the install with the Skycove unit wall crate. Remove the packaging by taking the walls off the crate. After the walls have been removed, remove the ceiling. Follow the local recycling procedures as you dispose of the shipping materials. Insert a standard pallet jack into the specialized cradle that's connected to the bottom of the Skycove window. Lift the unit and remove the plywood shipping liners. Move the Skycove unit into its desired placement in the showroom. Apply shims to the feet of the cradle as needed. It's important to leave the Skycove unit connected to the cradle as it will act as a support component until the entire assembly is complete. Next, install one of the side supports. Remove all packaging. Position the side support along the Skycove unit wall. Cam locks are used throughout the display to connect all the components. Using the provided cam wrench, connect the side support to the Skycove unit wall. Connect all 4 cams. Open the Awaken roof crate. Remove and set aside many of the loose components. Remove one end wall and leave the other attached. This is important in providing support and balance for the components left in the crate. Locate and remove the short header. Install the short header on top of the Skycove unit wall. Install the second side support in the same manner as the first. After all cams are locked, install the short wall between the short ends of the side supports. Shim as needed to level the wall. Lock into place. Next, install the roof. To remove the roof from the crate, have one person hold it steady, while another removes the screws of the end wall. Make sure you have sawhorses in place to set the roof on. Remove the skid that's installed on the roof section. To allow space to fit the roof section between the side supports, release the top cam between one of the side supports and the short wall, and install a shim to create a gap. Each side support has a lip that the roof will rest on. Before lifting the roof, make sure both stepladders are in place inside the display. The roof section is awkwardly shaped and very heavy. Take care to use extreme caution when lifting and setting the roof in place. Lift the roof. 2 individuals should promptly remove the sawhorses and move to the interior of the display. It's okay to rest the roof on the ledge of the short wall temporarily. Continue to guide the roof up the side supports. Do not use the holes for lifting during this part of the installation process. For the final push, 2 more individuals should join on the inside of the display. When everyone is ready, move the roof into its final resting position. Remove the shim and connect all the cams. Don't forget to retighten the cam you loosened between the side support and the short wall. The 110-volt power cord can either be installed from the top or bottom of the side support. For this video, we'll utilize the bottom portal. Locate the display power cord and feed it through the hole at the side of the TV mount. Then feed the power cord down to the bottom portal. The bottom portal has a small cover with a mouse hole. A floor cord cover should be used between the display and outlet if powered this way. Remember to plug in the Awaken and TV monitor later during the install. Next, install the roofing pieces. Remove the protective plastic film from the steel roofing components and install on the roof. Install the side pieces first, then the top. Install the finished components along the edges. The cover is attached with hook and loop, which is already applied. Start with the eave cover on the bottom. Then install the 2 side rakes, one on each side. Finally, install the ridge cap on top. Insert the flash drive into the USB port on the back of the TV monitor. Install the TV to the wall mount. Remove the screws that are holding the cradle to the Skycove wall. Remove the shims. Remove the pallet jack and cradle from under the Skycove wall. Next, remove the cradle support by removing the screws that are holding it in place on the bottom of the Skycove. Install the 7 pieces of finished metal on the bottom of the Skycove unit. These pieces are numbered and need to be installed in order, with the first piece installed on the exterior side of the Skycove. Clean all surfaces using a moist sponge or clean cloth. Clean the glass using a quality glass cleaner. Insert the white plastic plugs into the cam lock holes. If desired, use supplies from the included touch-up kit to cover the wall seams. Brake lines can be covered with masking tape or caulk and then painted for a smooth finish. Finally, install the included soft goods package. Refer to the showroom experience guide for recommended placement. Test all electrical components and run the video to ensure everything is working properly.